Hello, my name is Sophie Anderson. I'm a certified coach, a facilitator, and a speaker. The reality right now is that stress and burnout are on the rise everywhere, but there's many things we can do. While leadership coaches focus on shaping the culture and developing our leaders to prevent burnout in the workplace, my role is to support the individuals within it, both leaders and employees, so that they become more productive, more engaged, and they don't burn out. Everything I do is centered around education, self awareness, and self leadership. That means helping people understand how their brain works, who they are, who they want to become, and how to get there. I don't give advice and I don't have quick fixes. I help you find what truly works for you and what small and bigger steps you can take to get there. That means hopping off autopilot. You need to start understanding your thoughts, your habits, your mindset, how you deal with stress, and take back control instead of feeling like a victim of the workplace or circumstances like politics and the cost of living. We have so much more control than we think. I offer personal coaching for individuals. In the workplace, I offer sponsored coaching packages for individuals or for teams, and also a team program called the Wellness Blueprint. I also offer workshops and keynotes on well-being, energy and stress management, burnout prevention, and a range of other current topics that will support productivity and engagement. And if one of your goals is to reduce or to quit drinking alcohol as part of a healthier lifestyle, I can help with that too. Ultimately, my focus is on helping people feeling more in control, taking ownership and look after themselves outside of the workplace so that they become better contributors when they're at work. I offer a free discovery call to see if we'd work well together. So if you would like to have a conversation, please don't hesitate to book one.